Bitcoin could be going over $135,000 by February, according to this fractal. And in today's video, I'm going to discuss with you the long-term price target for BTC, short-term price target. You need to be very careful today and tomorrow what's going to be happening. And then I'm going to show you a strategy on what to do and how to trade it. As well, I'm going to show you something a little bit about our season when it's about to start. If you're new to the channel, guys, please subscribe because we post one video every single day. I'm going to cut the chase and show you straight away what I think from here, guys. You can see that right now from 2023, you can see we had a fractal coming from BTC from October until March, which pushed the price from $27,000 to roughly $75,000. And it looks like the same movement right now is actually repeating. So if that is going to be the case, guys, you can see that we are into a beautiful ascending channel with BTC right now. And the target could be as high as this point over here with the intersection of this point over here of 2021, this point over here, and this point over here, which is roughly at $135,000. So what I could be seeing with BTC right now is that we are into the ascending channel. This ascending channel is also forming an ascending channel by itself. And what I could be seeing if we're going to follow this fractal could be a correction with BTC for the next maybe 1 to 2 weeks down to the low 80s, in between $82,000 to $85,000, and then a big impulse to the upside to $135,000 by February 2025. So if you're expecting 200K, 300K, I'm sorry to destroy all of your dreams. I don't think it's going to be happening. But again, that's my opinion according to my data. And of course, the question is, what are you going to do now if Bitcoin is going to go from $92,000 to $82,000? Well, what you have to do, and it's very, very simple, you need to come and join our VIP group, guys. Our Discord group is pretty much designed for those who are long-term investors, short-term traders, and it's going to really help you to make money every single day. And you can see, of course, the results, guys, talk for ourselves. You can see all of the members making crazy results. We have trading calls, Bitcoin analysis, altcoin analysis, anything you need to think of if you want to succeed into this crazy cryptocurrency market. There's my calls, my professional member calls, guys. That's the best crypto community you can get if you want to make money long term and short term. And of course, if you want to join, guys, there is my website page over here. I'm going to place a link in the description below, but little trailer over here, trading results for the past 8 months, guys. VIP group is the way to go, especially right now the alt season is going to start. Come and join us, guys. But now let's go back into BTC. So what I can see right now is going to be that in order to say that we are going to be done with this cycle, bull market cycle top, I would like to see the RSI, this area reaching around $88 to $90. That's going to be very important. And then 135, in my opinion, is going to be a good target. Am I going to sell everything at $135,000? No, I'm probably going to thinking that around 110, I'm going to get rid of all my Bitcoins and put the money into altcoins. And why is that, guys? The reason why I'm going to put the money into altcoins is because you can see right now we have the crypto total free market cap excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum. So all the altcoins right now, they are into a beautiful scenario, which looks like almost like an inverted head and shoulder. Is a really typical shape that you can calculate from here to here to here. And if this is going to play out, I would say that the minimum target is going to be from here to here. You bring it over here, it could bring us as high as a $3 trillion market cap. Just imagine what's going to be happening to your altcoins if you're going to go up to a $3 trillion market cap. Am I too optimistic? Maybe I am. And again, am I going to sell if everything, all the altcoins are going to reach a $3 trillion market cap? No, I'm going to sell before. But what I can show you is that everything like the total free market cap right now is looking like is about to explode. And once you're going to be able to break this previous all-time high over here, which is sitting around $1.16 trillion market cap, we could be seeing a very nice push to the upside. But of course, what has to happen for this alt season to start is very, very simple. It's about the Bitcoin dominance, as we discussed before. If you're new to the channel, if you're not new, you know that. But if you're new, please subscribe because we post one video about crypto trading every single day. And right now, from here, guys, what I want to see is going to be a clear break of this area over here, which is sitting at 56%, dominance. Once we're going to be able to break this area over here, we're going to start to go down this way, guys. Alt season is going to start and is going to melt phases. 4x, 5x for your favorite altcoins. That's what I'm expecting. Right now, we haven't seen anything. You think that ADA, XRP pumping 70%, this is like alt season, guys. You haven't seen anything if that's your first cycle. So it's going to be very important to see what's going to be happening. Now let's discuss as well what's going to be happening short term as well. Today is going to be very important, guys, because we're going to have so much data. Initial jobless claims, GDP, PC, all of this is going to be very relevant to what could be happening with Bitcoin today and short term. And of course, guys, the VIP group already knows what to do with everything, the Bitcoin analysis. We already know how to trade it today. Is going to be super important. That's why you need to come here and get guidance if you are a newbie. But all of this is going to really dictate what's going to be happening for the next couple of weeks. So short term, I'm going to show you what I think it could be happening. So right now, what I was saying yesterday is that BTC went and destroyed completely this resistance over here, which I was highlighting before. Now it touched this area over here, had a nice rebound, and right now that probably could be the end of the correction. That could be definitely be the end of the correction, and then we're going to be pumping again up to over 100k, or we could be seeing more further downside. I'm going to show you what we need to have a look, in order to classify this as the end of the downtrend, or we're going to see more downtrend coming, more selling pressure coming. So what I usually like to do is to have a look at our Fibonacci retracement. You can see we have bounced exactly from this point over here. That's going to be very, very good. And of course, guys, at the moment, what I would say is that the trend has shifted. Like, we are in a macro trend where is a macro uptrend, which pretty much is doing this, okay? But at the same time, this reversal you can see on the 4-hour chart is actually pretty significant. And if BTC is not going to be able to go and go back around this area, that we're going to be in potential trouble. And to be, again, turning bullish again, what I want to see from BTC is going to be able to reclaim this area over here. So if it's not going to be able to go and reclaim this area and break this area and then go up to here, then we are at risk of continuing to go down this way, like this, another one, like this, another one, and we can keep going until the mid to low 80,000. So that's why I'm saying be very careful when it comes to, of course, invest or trade right now. Do I think the bull market is over? Of course, no. But I'm saying at the same time, at the moment, we are in a downtrend, in a short-term downtrend. So again, you can even go on the 1-hour chart, like on a small chart. You can see that right now we are pretty much going down into a potential downward channel. You can see that BTC just going like this. Next one could be something like this. And again, we could be going down even down to here at $87,000. But what we need to see right now is going to be able to break this area, to have like a proper breakout in order to confirm again the change of the trend. But right now, guys, things don't look, I would say, amazing. But at the same time, the VIP we already entered BTC today, already making money like every time, and that's what I can see right now. Next thing I want to discuss, guys, very, very important to understand as well, is about the liquidation heat map as well. You can see that right now the situation is quite interesting. There are so many liquidation around 96,000, 90,000, and of course, guys, if you want to know much about this or how to interpret, again, VIP group is the way to go. We write everything over here with explanation. This is going to be very important, as well as the aggregated order book liquidity delta as well. This really makes you understand when buyers are coming in, or they're actually selling. And you can see right now at the top over here, when we were at $8,000, we had a crazy negative delta, which in general, that's not good to see whenever you are at the top. You don't want to see this kind of sell off. And of course, this has caused the price to go down 10%. So right now, what we want to see is going to be a positive delta to again push the price to the upside. But right now, I can see many buyers stepping in. So basically, long story short, what I can see from here, short term, unless we're going to be able to reclaim this area, we could be continuing to go down this way. But there are specific levels that you can buy, and of course, we discuss all of this in the VIP group over here. Next one, I want to show you guys, very important, S&P 500 as well. The S&P is into a parabolic phase as well, touch 60,000. 6,020, sorry, not 60,000. And you can see that right now, we could be forming like a final blow off top, which could be coming around January, February 2025. So looking at the projection from here, I could be seeing that the S&P could be reaching a target around 6,500 to even 7,000 30,000 before starting to roll over and enter into a bear market territory. I think that lots of people have different opinions that 2025 is going to be a year of prosperity and all of that. I believe that mid-year probably it might be the start of a pronounced bear market, and that's why we have to be very, very careful what is going to come. But otherwise, what I would say is, if you don't know how to trade, if you don't know how to invest properly, if you don't know how to read macroeconomics, technical analysis, guys, don't be that person that doesn't know how to do this, because otherwise you're pretty much gambling your money away. So I will say that if you want to learn more, guys, what you can do, you can come on my website, Freedom Trading Academy. You can come here, watch a free masterclass, and I'm going to show you how you can make 20+% per month in under 4 hours per week, utilizing my $1 million strategies, an incorporation of macroeconomics, order flow, technical analysis, everything at very high level to make you really master the art of trading and investing. So once you're going to finish this course over here, I can tell you, you're going to be trading like a pro. This free training is 15 minutes. You can watch it now as many times as you want, but it's going to open a complete new world to you. But otherwise, guys, to summarize everything, things are looking pretty good. I would say that this correction as well is going to be very, very healthy for BTC to then, of course, continue to go to the upside. But again, looks like that 120, 135, that could be the cycle top for BTC coming for February. And then, of course, what's going to be happening later, nobody knows. But again, remember all the time, don't be greedy. Wait for the right entry and sell at the right point. Otherwise, guys, I really wish you an amazing day, and I'm going to see you tomorrow for another crazy update about crypto. See you soon.